Alright everybody, here to demonstrate this little Lipo battery protector here. It's designed to monitor the battery voltage of your Lipo. It's got a series of two series of LEDs here, and it's got a warning siren. Pretty easy to use. It works with a 11.1 or a 7.4. You plug it in, it'll have all the LEDs light up, it'll have the tone, and then it'll detect. As you see there, it then detects how many cells there are. This is a 7.4, so it'll only have 2 LEDs lit up, and it stays lit as long as the cells are detected as being between 4.3 and 3 volts. Here's an 11.1. And then it's got 3 cells that it's monitoring. As long as those are green, it's good to go. If any of those drop below 3 volts per cell, the red lights will illuminate and a warning siren will go on. Thanks.